Alrighty, Kurt, here's your 347 small block Ford. Gives description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads. Got some grind hydraulic roller. Got the Edelbrock Air Gap. Brawler carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Got your timing cover all painted for you. Moroso front sump painted. Corner make a run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Kiddo, 3,700, 397 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 440. Good torque number. And peaks horsepower 503. So everything's good. What we'll do now is pull a pipe back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here. See if you're in, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. It'll have a lot of data on it. Highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.